try to understand how this element works. Okay, this is
The flywheel.
the flywheel.
Oh,
And this element, if you check that element, is bolted here.
Uh-huh.
Pay attention. In a car, in a regular car. Pay attention. Your car. I have my car on the list. I want to separate the transmission from the engine. Okay. Winter. I need to separate the transmission from the engine. That element is bolted on the flywheel. You see?
Which is connected to the engine.
I need remove those bolts. This is the flywheel. Anybody follow me? Those holes pass over there. You see those holes? Those holes pass here and here. In other words, when I have the torque converter here, I can introduce the bolt here. This is the engine, and here is the hole where the start motor is located, because the start motor engaged here. Yes or not?
Yes.
When I remove the start motor, through that hole I have access to those bolts. I move the flywheel, I remove this, I move the flywheel, I remove this, I move the flywheel, I remove this, I move the flywheel, I remove this. And now the transmission with the torque converter is ready to be removed. Everybody follow me?
Yes, sir.
That's the only way to disconnect this one, through the hole of the start motor. I explained in the book. Okay. In other words, this element is permanent with the flywheel.